Looking for the best electric jigsaw for your next DIY or pro project? Stick around. Today we're ranking the top 5 models from budget buys to professional beasts. Let's kick things off with the most budget-friendly jigsaw on our list. It's simple, it's lightweight, and it gets the job done most of the time. If you're just starting out with woodworking or doing occasional home repairs, this one from BLACK+DECKER might be a tempting pick. Now, it's got a 4.5 amp motor, which is pretty modest compared to others in this lineup. You're not going to blast through hardwood or metal all day long, but for basic woodcuts, plastic, or DIY trim, it's more than capable. It's lightweight and easy to handle, and features like the quick blade release and WireGuard visibility system are a nice touch. That said, it's definitely not cut out for heavy duty or precision work. It lacks orbital action, which means you'll feel it lagging behind if you need speed and flexibility. Plus, blade stability isn't the best. It can wander a bit on curves, and the overall build feels more entry-level than pro. Still, if you just want a straightforward tool that's super affordable and handles light jobs, this is it. It's a great fit for casual DIYers or anyone working with soft materials. And by the way, links to all the jigsaws in this review at the best prices are down below in the description. Must sure. Next up, stepping things up just a bit, we've got the Jigsaw from WORKPRO. It's like the BLACK+DECKER on a protein shake. More power, more features, and a couple of extras that definitely stand out. This jigsaw comes packed with a 6.5 amp motor and delivers a solid performance across wood and even some metal. You get variable speed, a built-in LED light, and 4 orbital settings, giving you way more flexibility and control than the last one. It even comes with a handy kit, blades, dust pipe, guide ruler, the whole shebang. But here's where it loses some points. It's not the most refined tool. There have been a few reports about units arriving used or missing parts. The bevel lock isn't always rock solid either, which could be annoying if you're going for accurate angled cuts. Overall, it's a solid choice for someone who needs a bit more muscle but isn't quite ready to jump into pro gear. Great for home users who want value without a massive investment. And hey, if you're enjoying the breakdown so far, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button. Now we're entering pro territory with this heavy-duty corded jigsaw from DEWALT. It's got the muscle, the build, and the reliability that tradespeople swear by. This one's built like a tank. The motor is strong enough to handle serious cutting tasks, and the 4 orbital modes let you tailor the aggressiveness of your cuts. Blade changes are fast and toolless, and the variable speed dial plus trigger gives you great control. It's got a solid all-metal gear case and a dust blower to keep your line clear while working. The downside? It's heavy. At 6.4 pounds, it's not the most nimble tool out there, and the bevel mechanism could be more precise. It's better suited for speed and toughness than finesse. So if you're into delicate work or fine woodworking, this might feel a bit overkill, but if you want a jigsaw that can take a beating and power through thick material without blinking, this is a reliable workhorse, perfect for contractors or serious DIYers who want lasting performance. Sliding into second place is Bosch's popular Blue Beast. It's one of the smoothest jigsaws out there, and if you value precision and comfort, this might be your best bet. With a 7 amp motor, it's the most powerful corded model in our lineup. It feels stable, controlled, and the plunge action is silky smooth. You've got variable speed control, low vibration, and great ergonomics. It's simply a joy to use, especially for long sessions or intricate projects. Still, it's not perfect. You'll need an Allen wrench to adjust the bevel, and there's no LED work light. Kind of surprising for a premium pick. Also, the blade change mechanism, while tool-free, can feel a bit clunky over time. But all in all, this jigsaw is about consistency and quality. It's perfect for serious hobbyists or pros who want a clean cut and dependable performance without too many bells and whistles. And here we are, the best of the best. If you want power, precision, and freedom all in one, the cordless DEWALT takes the crown. It runs on DEWALT's 20-volt Max XR platform with a brushless motor that's fast, efficient, and long-lasting. The variable speed trigger and dial combo give you pinpoint control, and that LED light lights up your cut line beautifully. It's compact, it's stable, and the ergonomics? Top-notch. Plus, no cords in your way. So what's the catch? Well, it doesn't have a dust port like some others, and you'll have to buy the battery separately. With a battery, it's a bit heavier too, around 6 pounds, but still lighter than some corded options. This one's perfect for pros, cabinet makers, or advanced users who want top-tier performance and cordless convenience. If you want the best jigsaw out there today, this is the one to beat. All the jigsaws we talked about today are linked in the description below. Check them out at the best prices. And if you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest, no fluff gear reviews. See you in the next one.